A warm welcome to the students of Nalanda. This is Radhakrishna standing in front of you. Today we are going to discuss about the topic is laws of motion of class 9th physics assignment. See the first question, that is calculate the momentum of a fast moving ball with a velocity of 2.2 meter per second of mass 6 kg. We asked to calculate the momentum. Now let us see the solution of this problem. First of all, they given as a mass of an object, they given as a mass m is equals to how much they given, 6 kg they given, and velocity will be given as a velocity v is equals to 2.2 meter per second, and he asked the momentum. Momentum is nothing but the product of mass and velocity is called momentum. Momentum P is equals to mass into velocity, that is mass they given as a 6 and velocity they given as a 2.2, then substitute all the values and then you can get 6 2s are 12 and again 6 2s are 12, 13 means 13.2 kg meter second inverse. This is nothing but momentum. This is nothing but momentum. Okay. Now let us see the next question. With our day-to-day experience, we must experience some force on an object to keep it moving. By which law can you support the statement? With our day-to-day experience, we must experience some force on an object to keep it moving. Which law can you support your statement? Means the law which can support you, this statement is nothing but see Newton's first law. The Newton's first law can support this statement. The Newton's first law can support this statement because no external force acting on an object. When an object is at a state of rest, it continues to be in its state of rest on. When an object is in motion, it continues to be moving in a uniform motion. So, which law can we support the statement? Means Newton's first law. Now let us see the next question. That is, which of the following has more inertia? A rubber ball and a stone of the same size, a bicycle and train. See the answer of this question. Let us see. In the first case, rubber ball and stone of same size. Here, stone has a more mass. Stone has more mass means more inertia. Stone has more mass means it has a more inertia. Okay. At the same time, rubber ball has less mass means it contains less inertia. And B, let us see the B. Second one, a bicycle and a train. And bicycle has less mass and train has more mass. Here the train has more mass. Train has more mass means it contains more inertia. It contains more inertia. This is our question. Rubber ball has less mass means it contains less inertia. Stone has more mass means it contains more inertia. Bicycle has less mass, it contains less inertia. Train has more mass means more inertia. Means mass is a measure of inertia. Less mass means less inertia. More mass means more inertia. Now, see, show that next question, fourth question. Show that the larger the net force, greater the acceleration. Larger the net force, greater the acceleration. Now let us see. See the ice box. Let us see the ice box. When you apply some force on an ice box, then what happens? Initially, the friction force will come into contact. The ice box will not move. If you increase the net force, on an ice box, then what happens? Again, it starts sliding. The ice box will start sliding. Means it comes into accelerate. The ice box will comes into accelerate. Means if you increase the net force, then what happens? The acceleration will also increases. If it increases the net force, then what happens? The acceleration will also increases. Means net force increases means acceleration of the box will also increases. Next question. Yeah, this is very important table. Write the situation and the law concept to the given situation or vice versa in the given table. Let us see. Situation, law, concept. First one, stone is at rest. Stone is at rest. Means which law means Newton's first law. Which law means what? Newton's first law. Newton's first law will come. Newton's first law will come. Concept means okay, inertia of rest. Concept means what? Inertia of rest. This is the concept, inertia of rest. Next, cycle can be stopped easily when compared to the bus. Cycle can be stopped easily when compared to the bus. Coming to the law is nothing but okay, Newton's second law. Newton's second law. And the concept is nothing but momentum is height. Momentum is height. This is our concept. Okay. Cycle can be stopped easily when compared to the bus, means Newton's second law is the law. And concept is nothing but momentum is height. Means cycle can be stopped easily when compared to the bus, means cycle has more momentum. Okay. When compared to the bus. Next E, F, dynamic inertia, means when object is thrown into universe. When object thrown into universe. Thrown into universe. Here Newton's first law. Newton's first law. Which law means Newton's first law? And dynamic inertia means bullet hurts. Bullet hurts means it is a Newton's third law. That is nothing but which law means Newton's third law. Because for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction is nothing but Newton's third law. Okay, bullet hurts means this is nothing but Newton's third law, and concept is nothing but it is also having okay, Newton's third law means action and reaction pair. Concept is nothing but action and reaction pair. Okay, thank you.